We need all of these letters to help us read. The beginning of reading, though, we just want to use their sounds. Let's go over their sounds. Ready? Just their sound and how to make it on our mouth. Ready? Ah. Open up your mouth big. Ah. Hide your lips. Ba. Ka. So your jaw needs to drop. Ka. D. So smile. D. Eh. Open up a little bit. Eh. G. Your jaw has to drop again. G. So blow out a lot of air. I. Your jaw is closed. I. J. So kiss and then open. J. Don't move your mandible. K. Oh. Hide your lips. Ah. P. Kiss a little bit. Wah. So angry. S. T. Open your mouth a little bit. W. X. Y. Z. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my grown-up be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ow, it stung me. I'm shooing away my baby bumblebee. Won't my grown-up be so proud of me? I'm shooing away my baby bumblebee. He's gone. I'm kissing where the bee stung my hand. Won't my grown-up be so proud of me? I'm kissing where the bee stung my hand. All better.